Have you ever heard of a kingdom nestled entirely within another country? A land where the lowest point is higher than any other nation's? Welcome to Lesotho, the kingdom in the sky, a place of breathtaking beauty, vibrant culture, and unparalleled adventure. Today, we're embarking on a journey to explore this hidden gem of southern Africa from its humble capital to its majestic, cloud-piercing peaks. So, buckle up and let's discover the wonders of Lesotho together. Our adventure begins in Maseru, the capital and largest city of Lesotho. Unlike the sprawling metropolises you might be used to, Maseru has a relaxed, almost town-like feel that's immediately welcoming. As you walk its streets, you'll see a fascinating blend of modern development and deep-rooted tradition. Modern buildings stand alongside traditional markets, where the air is filled with the buzz of daily life. One of the first things you'll notice are the iconic Basotho blankets worn by many locals. These aren't just for warmth, they are a statement of identity and status, each pattern telling a unique story. In the markets, you can find everything from fresh produce to incredible local crafts. This is the perfect place to find a handcrafted souvenir, maybe even your own Basotho hat, the conical macaratlo, whose shape is inspired by the mountains that define this nation. Maseru serves as the gateway to the rest of the country. It's where you stock up, plan your routes, and get a first taste of the warmth and hospitality of the Basotho people. While the city itself has its charms, like the Royal Palace and the National Museum, its true purpose for many travelers is as a launching pad for the incredible natural landscapes that lie just beyond its limits. From here, the real ascent into the kingdom in the sky begins. Leaving Maseru behind, we head east towards one of the most formidable and stunning mountain ranges in the world, the Drakensberg Mountains, or as they are known in Lesotho, the Maletsunyane Mountains. This is where the nickname Kingdom in the Sky truly comes to life. The entire country of Lesotho is situated over 1,400 meters above sea level, making it the country with the highest lowest point on Earth. The journey itself is an experience. The roads wind and climb, revealing panoramic vistas at every turn. You'll see rolling green hills transform into rugged, dramatic cliffs that seem to touch the heavens. These mountains are the lifeblood of Lesotho, a source of water for much of southern Africa, and home to a unique way of life that has endured for centuries. One of the best ways to experience the Maletsunyane Drakensberg is by tackling the Sani Pass. This legendary gravel road connects Lesotho with South Africa and is a true test for any 4x4 vehicle. As you ascend, the views become increasingly spectacular. You'll pass by shepherds tending to their flocks of sheep and Angora goats, their silhouettes stark against the vast, open sky. Reaching the summit, you're rewarded not only with a sense of accomplishment, but also with a visit to the highest pub in Africa. Imagine sipping a warm drink while looking out over a sea of clouds and jagged peaks. It's a moment you'll never forget. The Maletsunyane Drakensberg Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, protects not just this incredible landscape, but also a treasure trove of ancient history. Tucked away in rock shelters are thousands of sand rock paintings, some dating back over 3,000 years. These delicate artworks depict the spiritual beliefs and daily lives of the San people, the earliest inhabitants of this region. Finding these paintings feels like uncovering a secret, a direct link to a time long past, preserved in the heart of the mountains. Deep within the mountainous heart of Lesotho lies a spectacle of raw, natural power, the Maletsunyane Falls, plunging 192 meters in a single, uninterrupted drop. This is one of the highest single-drop waterfalls in southern Africa. The local name for the falls is Lebihansa, which means the place of smoke, a fitting description for the mist that rises from the gorge as the water crashes down. Getting to Maletsunyane is an adventure in itself. The journey takes you through remote villages and stunning highland scenery. The nearby town of Semenkon, which means place of smoke, is the hub for visitors. From here, you can hike or, for a truly authentic experience, ride a Basotho pony to the viewpoint. These hardy ponies are the lifeblood of the highlands, perfectly adapted to the rugged terrain. Riding one is not just a mode of transport, it is a way to connect with the local culture and see the landscape as the Basotho people do. Standing at the edge of the gorge, the roar of the waterfall fills the air. The sheer scale is hard to comprehend. The water carves its way through the earth, creating a lush, green canyon that contrasts sharply with the surrounding grasslands. For the adrenaline junkies, Semenkong is also home to the world's longest commercially operated single drop-of seal. Imagine rappelling down alongside this mighty waterfall. It is an experience that will literally take your breath away. But the magic of Maletsunyane isn't just in the thrill or the view. It's in the quiet moments, watching the sun catch the mist, creating rainbows in the gorge. It's a place that feels ancient and powerful, a reminder of the untamed beauty that still exists in the world. It is a highlight of any trip to Lesotho and a memory that will stay with you forever. Beyond the famous landmarks and epic landscapes, the true heart of Lesotho is its mountain culture and the incredible resilience of the Basotho people. Life in the highlands is not easy. The weather can be harsh and resources can be scarce. Yet, the people here live with a grace, warmth, and a deep connection to their land and traditions that is truly inspiring. The Basotho are known for their horsemanship. The sturdy Basotho pony is an essential part of life, used for transport, farming, and herding. You'll often see herd boys, wrapped in their blankets, expertly navigating the steep mountain paths on horseback. Their skill is a testament to a bond between human and animal forged over generations. Villages in the highlands often consist of traditional stone and thatch rondavels, circular homes that are perfectly suited to the environment. Visiting one of these villages offers a glimpse into a way of life that has remained largely unchanged for centuries. Hospitality is paramount. You'll likely be welcomed with a smile and perhaps an invitation to share a meal of papa, a maize porridge, and moroho, a type of wild spinach. This is not a culture that is put on for tourists. It's an authentic, living heritage. The songs, the dances, and the stories passed down through generations are all part of the fabric of daily life. Engaging with this culture is what makes a trip to Lesotho so special. It's about more than just seeing the sights. It's about connecting with the people and understanding their unique place in the world. It is a humbling and enriching experience that reminds you of the strength of community and the beauty of a simple, harmonious life lived in tune with nature. Our journey through the kingdom in the sky is coming to an end. From the welcoming streets of Maseru to the awe-inspiring heights of the Drakensberg and the thundering power of Maletsunyane Falls, Lesotho has shown us a world of dramatic beauty and profound cultural richness. It's a country that defies expectations, a place where adventure and authenticity go hand in hand. What truly stays with you long after you've descended from its peaks is the spirit of the Basotho people. Their warmth, resilience, and deep connection to their mountain home are the true treasures of this kingdom. Lesotho is more than just a destination. It's an experience that changes you. It teaches you about resilience, the beauty of simplicity, and the importance of heritage. So, if you're looking for an adventure that goes beyond the ordinary, a journey that will challenge you and inspire you, look no further than Lesotho. This kingdom in the sky is waiting to be discovered. Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible journey. If you enjoyed this virtual trip to Lesotho, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more adventures around the globe. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Have you ever been to Lesotho, or is it on your travel list? Until next time, keep exploring,